This is Merchant Navy class locomotive number 35011, General Steam Navigation, the only locomotive on record with the word steam in its title. As you can see, there's a number of what appear to be quite prominent components missing. Essentially, this locomotive is in scrapyard condition and is one of the final few to come to restoration in this particular state. And hopefully its stay here at Sellindge will herald its return, its eventual return to the main line.
I'm Mel Seaborn and I run the 35011 General Steam Rescue Project. We're here at Sellindge and we're hoping very much that this fine locomotive will one day run again soon. As you can see, it does need some work doing to it, but we're certain we can get there. And we're really hoping that we can run this on the old Folkestone Harbour branch and be involved with the Remembrance Line. Here what we've been doing is we've been pulling back the rust. It's only superficial, as you can see. In the earlier photographs we were taking down the rust around here, and you can see that already the original British Railway is black, the wheels is coming through. This down here is the old traffic film from 1964, 1965, when these engines were running up and down the railway line at great speed. And it still exists. We have to dig all this out because obviously we can't paint over the tops of the traffic film.
In the good old days of steam, the Merchant Navy class locomotives were known to achieve speeds of in excess of 100 miles an hour. But I don't think we're going to have that trouble with this one today. This locomotive is number 35025 Brocklebank Line. One of the famous Merchant Navy class locomotives, the type of which used to haul trains like the Golden Arrow from London to the Kent coast. And we're hoping eventually that this locomotive, when it's restored, will be able to assist us in bringing passengers from the metropolis down to Folkestone Harbour. Just to show that we just don't work on steam locomotives here at Sellindge, what you see here are one of a pair of bogies from a Class 37 diesel electric locomotive, which is currently running up in Tunbridge Wells at the Spa Valley Railway. However, we hope that in the future the work we're doing here may inspire confidence in the owners to bring this locomotive to operate either to or on the Remembrance Line. In fact, work has already been carried out by Hitachi Dashwood on this particular bogie, and indeed on both of them, as the wheels have been returned at the facility. Hitachi being the same people who maintain the Javelin trains.